Welcome back to our live. This is our second quarter. Official score 22-12 in favor of the LaSalle Green Hills. Pa-check na lang po mamaya sa aking YouTube channel ang magiging game na ito. Number 23, floater basket is good. Ayun na. Number 9, paso Somchi. Pinasa corner, jump shot, no good. Rebound. Number 24, turnaround shot, no good. Rebound para sa LaSalle, Lourdes. Number 22, sidestep, drop pass. Ooh! Nakalusot doon. Ayun na, number 9. Tumira sa 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Somchi. No good. Number 24, pass to number 9. Back to number 24. Number 15, 4-3. In and out. Number 24. And there's a foul. Basket is good. 25-16. 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 24 maglalabas ng bola. Number 55, 4-3. Offensive rebound. Number 55. And off to number 9. Number 9 binigay. And there's a foul. Bola dito ng LaSalle Green Hills. Number 9. Guys, sa corner. Number 24, pass to Somchi. Basket is good. Pass to number 23. Crossover, spin, step back to, no good. Number 23, steal ng LaSalle. 2 against 1. Number 24, nabitawan. What a hustle! Uy! Nagagawan! Uy, wala! And there's the foul! Grabe yun! Good hustle para sa both teams. Talagang ayaw ibigay ang bola. Substitution. Session na po muli sa mga live. Minsan nakawala po ng signal. Pero don't worry, ano ko naman to eh. Mare-repost po siya. Number 9, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 23. Sumalaksak, lumipad sa ere, no good, nagagawan. Uy, parang wala ng candy. Pero wala, para kay number 16. Somchi with a rebound. Number 9, may tanga na bola. Setting on the screen. Number 9, didiskate. Number 9, out of balance, no good. Rebound, number 25, offensive rebound. Number 55, steal by Lourdes. Ooh! There's a foul. Fake. Oh, nice shot para kay Paras. 29-16. Out of bounds. Time out. Lourdes School. Kaya natin huddle ng Lasal dito. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola dito ng Lasal Green Hills. Paras. Uy, binale. Isa pa. Oh, there is a foul. Shooting the line in jersey number 6. Paras. First shot is good. Number 23 setting on the screen. Number 23 pass to number 16 to number 0. Number 16 fade away shot short, rebound by Somchi rather. Number 24 pass to number 9, kick out. Number 9, what an extra pass. Number 7 to Somchi sa loob using the glass. Basket is good. Ooh. Another steal, number 9, basket. Magawan. Shoutout po sa pamilya Paras who's minding me here sa larong ito. And kay Sir kanina sa known parents. Ayan na, bola dito ng Lourdes. Number 10 to number 23. Nigay. Number 16, blocked by Somchi. Number 16 to number 7, pass to number 9, top of the key, no good. Rebound by number 23. And out that pass, number 10. Ooh. Ay, kita ba? Hindi ko alam po. 35-24 para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Number 9 to number 1. Binigay sa corner. 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. By jersey number 72. Number 5. Basket yan. Number 9 to number 72. Paras. That's a traveling violation. That's it. Number 5 up and under, and there's a foul. Number 6 Paras. Number 5 on the free throw area, no good. Number 9. Pass to number 1. 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. By jersey number 1. Last touch. Bola ng LaSalle Green Hills. Bounce pass to number 72. Number 72, 4-3, short, rebound by Esomchi. Esomchi, tumira, no good. Pass number 70 to number 10. Behind the back, number 10, nabitawan, steal, number 1. Ooh, Esomchi, sidestep, whoa! Parang umarang giba doon ah. Galing yan kay Esomchi. Para strong drive there para kay Esomchi. And 1. Bonus shot para kay Esomchi. Esomchi is good. 3-point play. 44. Oh, out of bounds. Timeout. Lourdes School, Manila. Time remaining, last 57 seconds. Back to the ball game. Last 57 seconds. Number 1, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound by Esomchi to number 23. And that's a traveling violation. Somchi using the glass basket. Maararo na si Somchi dito. Number 10, what an extra pass. Basket is good. Number 77. Oh, that's the end of the first half. Fisher score 46. Oh, 46. 45-29. In favor of LaSalle Guerrillas. Babalik tayo para sa third quarter. Sorry, naka-ano pala ako. Naka-mute pala. Sorry, pasensya na po. Time out. Time remaining 53-32. Shoutout sa pamilya Paras. Ayan and happy viewing kay Noah Zamora, Precious Valencia, and Michael Cascante. Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. This is our second to the last game ng ating laro ngayong araw. Shooting on the line, jersey number 6, Paras. First shot para kay Paras, no good. Let's go, Paras. Second shot, no good. Rebound, Paras. Using the glass, no good. Ayan na ang Lourdes. Nabitawan. There's a foul. Lourdes School basketball. Number 10. Kick out. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 52. Out that pass. Nabitawan nga lang doon. Nabitawan. Steal by number 72. Uy, number 72 sumaksak, no good. Rebound ng Lourdes. Number 10 nasa corner, number 29. Uy, para fake, no good. Offensive rebound, block by number 45, Ibanez. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Bola ng Lourdes School. Number 10, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Pass number 45. Ibanez tumira, wala. Rebound number 0, wala pa rin. Offensive rebound para sa Lourdes. Gets the 3, no good. Rebound by number 72. Number 0. Number 72. Number 23. Pull up J. Basket. 55-32 ang ating talaan. Sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Ibanez. Outlet pass. Oy! Number 0. And stepping on the line. Time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds. Bola rito ng Lourdes School. Number 10. Reverse layup, blocked by Ibanez. Oopsie, stepping on the line. Last 54 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. na ang Lasal Green Hills. Number 45, no good. Kick out. Number 52, 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. By jersey number 70, 52. Uy, number 10. Floater. Basket is good. Number 45, Ibanez to number 23. Number 23. Still ng Lourdes. Ay na, 6 seconds, 2, 1. Oy! And that's the end of our third quarter. Fisher score of 58-32 in favor of the Lasal Green Hills. And shout out to all the parents who invited me here, especially sa Lasal Green Hills at ganun din sa Lourdes School. Alright, tayo daw na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Makakabol kaya dito ang Lourdes or dodominahin na ng Lasal Green Hills ang laban. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po. Fourth quarter coming up. Number 10 pass number 26, 4-3, no good. Rebound number 9, Justin Douglas, basket. Number 10. Oh, there is a foul. Time remaining 9 minutes and 17 seconds. Number 10, first shot is good. Back to the ball game. Official score 36, 2 for 2. Ang free throw doon ng Lourdes ay ng double team. Kick out number 9. Top of the key, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Paras. Paras nakalusot. What a nice shot by jersey number 6. Paras. Oopsie, that's a backcourt violation. Number 9. Pass to Paras. Ooh. 3 seconds violation. Bola mapupunta sa Lourdes School. Number 23, pass to number 10 to number 16, back to number 10 from elbow 3. 3-point by number 10. Kaya na, gustong makabawi. Number 9, setting on the screen. Number 9, sumalaksak, kinaliwa, no good, rebound, mapupunta kay number 14. 4, side step, drop pass, steal ng Lourdes, outlet pass, steal. Uy. Wala, hustle play from both team. Bola mapupunta sa LaSalle Green Hills. Uy, ayaw lang kumuha. Number 44. Pass to Paras. Paras sa gilid. Looking for his teammate. Number 44. Fake. Sumalaksak. Binigay. Kick out. Pass to number 6. Uy! Uy! Sayang! Sayang! Counted sana yun. What a nice shot by Paras there. Ayun na. Uy! Libre! Easy 2 points. Number 9. Crossover. Binigay sa loob. Paras tumira. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na ang mga naka-white shirt. 3 against 3. Number 7. Ooh! Nagluksong ba? Shooting the line in jersey number 70. It's no good. Second shot. No good. Bola ng LaSalle Green Hills, number 45. Esomchi sa loob, fake, nabitawan. Number 23. Atake. Uy, with a putback, number 10. Basket is good. Crossover. Ayan na, lumipad, no good. Rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Number 10, all the way. Ooh! Grabe, natamaan yung ulo. Ang sakit nun, brother. Pero syempre, Mamba mentality. Basket count and 1 ang para kay jersey number 10, Lim. Official score, 44-62. In favor pa rin sa LaSalle Green Hills. Timeout. Timeout ba? Timeout, LaSalle Green Hills. Back to the ball game with a score of 44-62. One shot para kay Lim, jersey number 10 of Lourdes School. First shot, no good. 72. Number 23. Esomchi to number 23. Layup, basket. na, lumipad si Lim, no good. Pero nandun para sa putback si number 16. Number 23, pass to Somchi from top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound number 0. Ayan na ang Lourdes, number 23. Pass to number 10. 4-3, no good. Rebound by Somchi. Number 72, fake. Fade away shot, no good. Outlet pass, number 10, 2 against 1. Lim, no good. Rebound. Number 8, to Somchi. Last 40 seconds, 4 minutes. Number 23, stop and pump. Yes, sir. 66-46. 20-point lead para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Makuha ng Lourdes. Number 10. Drop pass. Basket yan. Inigay sa corner. Number 1. 4-3. No good. Number 53. Pass to number 28. Back to Somchi. Somchi 4-3. Wala. Rebound by number 23. Behind the back. And number 23 is derecho. Yes, sir. Number 35. 2 against 2. Pass to Somchi. Number 23 setting on the play. Number 72, Somchi, top of the key, 4-3, wala. Rebound, number 16. Number 16, ooh, there is a foul. Time out. Lourdes School. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Bigyan naman natin ang huddle ng Lourdes School. Baba sa 16 points. Ang lamang ng LaSalle Green Hills. Oh, sorry, correction. Official score 67 and 51. 16 points ang lamang ng LaSalle. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Sa ating fourth and final quarter. Kaya natin kung makakakabol dito ang Lourdes School or ang LSM. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 para sa Lourdes. Number 9. Last 2 minutes tayo. 23. May tangan ng bola. Number 23. Papasukin ang loob. Ligay. Makuha ng naka-green shirt. Somchi, basket. double team. Floater basket is good. Number 9. Drive, no good. Makuha ng Green Hills, last touch. Bola ng Green Hills. Last 53 seconds remaining. Bola ng Lasal. Number 9. Number 9, kick out. Pinasa corner, SOMG 4-3. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ng Lourdes. Ayun na, hinahabol ni SOMG all the way. Uy! Ang bilis ni Lim. So that's number 23. Last 23 seconds. Out of bounds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Ubus na naman po ang oras. Last 15 seconds. SOMG. Ayan na. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from Lourdes School SM, and a nice game. Congratulations to our winning team, our Lasal Green Hills. Ayan, our final score 69-57. Panalo po ang ating Lasal Green Hills. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, and God bless everyone, and shout out po sa lahat ng parents na kasama natin dito sa ating live. Ayan, kila Mrs. Paras. Ay, sige po. Okay, sige po.
Tapos send mo agad sa akin yung link para i-forward ko sa mga...
Sige po. Di, Facebook ko na lang mismo.
Sa Facebook?
Facebook ko na lang mismo para madali.
Sige.
Okay, thank you. Okay, hanggang sa muli po. And God bless everyone. Keep safe.